Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Evidence, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing the Tichwatch E. So the Tichwatch comes in this very fancy square box. It looks really good. I like all the paintings and stuff. I really like it. So I'm going to see if what's inside this beautiful looking box is as good as the box itself, and let's get right to it. So the box comes like this, and there's a little wrapper here. Just cut that off, and the box opens up like this. So there's a foam inside the cover of the box. This feels like kind of metal, and inside the box is the watch itself. So that's what the watch looks like. That's what the packaging looks like. And I'm going to take the watch out now. That looks really nice. So that's how the watch is packaged, and you have to unstrap the watch from the foam that's holding it in place. Oopsie, there goes the foam. And here comes the watch. So this is what the watch looks like, and it's kind of rounded all the way around, and it's kind of feels plastic. It feels like it's made of plastic. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel expensive or anything like that. And I believe there's a heart rate sensor at the back. It looks like a heart rate sensor, and pogo connectors right there. And this is plastic. The rubber bands are plastic, and it also looks as if the bands are removable. Yes, the bands are removable, as you can see here. Let me try to put that back here. So now that I got the band back on it, I'm going to take off this wrapper. There's a wrapper right here. I'm going to take that off, put this to the side, and I'm going to power it on. It says Ticwatch on it, and it comes with a single button on the side, and that's pretty much it. And let me see what else comes inside the box. So inside the box, that's what the box looks like when the watch has been taken out. And in here we have the charging cable, and let me see what it comes with. A manual, and that's pretty much it. That's everything that comes in the box. Nothing else. No fancy shenanigans. And to see. Oh wow, look, this comes off completely. That's really nice. And then you have an empty box to store stuff, or just to keep it. I'm going to keep this box just because it looks so fancy and it looks really nice. And I'm to see how this charging connector fits the watch. So this is what the charging connector looks like. And on the watch it says on your Android phone, Android Wear. So this is an Android Wear watch. And how does this connect? It connects like that. So that's how the watch connects to the charging connector. And it has a USB for you to plug into a watch charger. So it doesn't come with a watch charger. It just comes with the watch and the cable itself. And in an upcoming video, I am going to be reviewing this watch and comparing it to Tichwatch 2 and Tichwatch S. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss out on my review of the Tichwatch E. Thank you for watching, and bye.